Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how I curl my hair, so let's get to it. Okay, and what I like to do is I like to put my hair in a French braid, and I usually do this like the night before or maybe wear it for a couple of hours before I curl my actual hair. As you can tell, this is from last night, so that's why my hair is still kind of messy and the braids are coming out, but this is what I like to usually do. Then I just take my braids out. And then once I take my braids out, see how wavy my hair is? Well, my hair is already naturally curly, wavy-ish already. But once I go ahead and curl it, then it'll be easier, more curlier. And next, I like to use a heat protectant, and I use Bio Lage. I don't know how you pronounce that. And I just put just a little bit in my hair, and I just kind of run my fingers through my hair a little bit, all underneath. And then I do the ends. Once I got all the heat protectant in my hair, I take my glove. The glove that actually came with my iron, the wand is what it's called, was like this. It was like a weird shape, so I have an actual regular glove that I like to use, and it's basically like the same thing. And the curling iron that I'm about to use, Conair, and I don't know what inch this is. I think like maybe like a ½ inch or inch or something like that. And I like to take a regular rubber band and part my hair. So I'm gonna do underneath first and just tie this up so it's not in the way while I'm curling the glove on. And I just take about this much of my hair, and sometimes I take like this much, or I would say maybe about this much sometimes, like depending on how big I want the curls, if I want them like really tight and small, or if I just want like big wave or big curls, then I just go ahead and curl it. And see how curly it is. Oh, and I forgot to say I use 330 on the degrees. Just sometimes I like to do like 330, 360. Usually holds the curls more, and also depends like outside, you know, if it's raining or if it's like cold. Like for my hair, when it's like cold outside, my curls stay, but when it's like rainy and gross outside, hair gets really frizzy and the curls won't hold or stay that long. And I usually like to hold the curl onto the iron for about, I would say roughly around like 5 to 10 seconds, if not longer. Curly. Okay, already did this side, now onto the side. Right. Now that I got done with the back part, I like to get my hairspray. I use the Herbal Essence hairspray. And I just spray a little bit, so that way while I'm curling the other parts of my hair, let the curls stay. I'm gonna go ahead and unravel my hair. I'm just only take about this much of hair on each side, and then with the remainder, roll it back up to like a ball. Take my hair tie, and I just leave it like that. And then with the front parts of my hair, what I usually like to do is put it under or over like this. And then for the next one, I do it underneath. Does that make sense? Probably looks like the same direction on the camera, but you know what I mean? Like I put my hair over and then under, so that way some curls are, you know, different than others. It's not all just one, which I like to do. Have my curls going in different directions. Okay, once I got this side done, I like to spray it, so that way when I'm doing this side, my curls stay intact. Okay, now onto this side of hair. Look at that curl. Ooh, how bouncy it is. What did she say how long it takes me? 45 minutes to an hour, maybe even more, just depending how long I take or how much time that I have wherever I'm going. I'm going out somewhere, because I'm the type of person that when I get ready, I like to get ready 2-3 hours ahead, because it takes me forever. I like to make sure that I got my makeup on, and then I do my hair, make sure that I got my outfit picked out, because I don't want to be waiting till the last second, not knowing what to wear. I mean, I hate that. You need to be careful whenever you're curling your hair, because I made that mistake one time with using this curling iron. I was sitting on my floor, like crisscross, like Indian style. I was sitting in front of the mirror. I was doing my hair exactly like this. For some reason, it just fell out of my hand and fell like right on my calf, on my leg. And I have 2 burn marks, one on my right leg and one on my left leg. And it hurts so bad because, you know, the temperature is at 330 or higher. It hurts so bad, and I always remember to be extra careful whenever I'm curling my hair. And I love curling my hair, well, sometimes, because my hair is really thick. I actually cut it just not too long ago, probably like maybe 6 months ago or less than that. I cut my hair, and it was literally all the way down to my butt. I'm not even kidding. If I have a picture, I'll insert it if I can find it. But to be super long, and I had to cut it because I was getting so annoyed with it. Most of the time I just have my hair up in a like bun, or just like a messy bun, or braids, French braids. I just got so annoyed with it, I just cut it off. I probably cut it to, I'd say about like right here, my shoulder length, to cut off all the dead hair. I got this side done. Can I just spray? And I'll move on to the last part. And then I'm gonna just split it into 2 like this. Alright, now I'm just doing this last piece before I move on to the other side. This curl's actually stayed up pretty well on this side. I'm curling my hair. Alright, now that's that, just spray. Right, now moving on to this side, and I just moved all my hair to this side so that way it's easier for me to curl my hair. Okay, and now almost done. So I do these last 2, well, last one because I'm doing this second one. And just hold it for a couple more seconds. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and spray. Spray underneath, then all over. Okay, and now the last thing that I like to do is take my comb and brush through, like tease curls a little bit. Gives it a little bit more volume to the hair. And just tease it. There, now it's all done. That is how I curl my hair. Alright guys, that is all for my video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and this is how I curl my hair whenever I'm just gonna go out dinner or something. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave your comments down in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. Love you. Mwah.